Imagine a time thousands of years ago when our ancestors were just beginning to harness the power of agriculture and cooking. Picture this. Archaeological evidence reveals that pancake-like foods have been a cherished part of the human diet for at least 30,000 years. One of the most intriguing clues comes from Ötzi the Iceman, a remarkably well-preserved mummy found in the Ötztal Alps. Dating back to 3300 BCE, Ötzi's remains included remnants of a simple flatbread made from ground grains. This remarkable discovery hints that even in the Copper Age, people were crafting and enjoying early forms of pancakes. While Ötzi's flatbread might not look like the fluffy pancakes we savor today, it offers a fascinating glimpse into the origins of this beloved dish. These early pancakes were likely cooked on hot stones or over open fires, showcasing our ancestors' ingenuity in transforming simple ingredients into nourishing meals. The story of Ötzi and his rudimentary pancake reminds us that the quest for simple, satisfying food is a timeless journey shared across cultures and eras. Once upon a time, as humans began to settle down from their nomadic ways, they discovered the magic of cultivating grains. This pivotal moment marked the dawn of early civilizations. Imagine the excitement as wild grains like einkorn wheat and barley were tamed and transformed into the first domesticated crops. These grains held the secret to creating flour, the cornerstone of many bread and pancake recipes we cherish today. Picture early humans using simple stone tools to grind these grains into a coarse, rustic flour. This flour, though rougher and lower in gluten than what we use now, was a game changer. They mixed this flour with water and perhaps a pinch of salt, crafting a basic dough. This dough was then cooked over an open fire or on a hot, flat stone, creating something truly special. The result was a simple flatbread, a humble ancestor to the modern pancake, yet a marvel of its time. These early flatbreads, though not as light and fluffy as today's pancakes, were nourishing, and could be easily carried and eaten by travelers and settlers alike. Their simple preparation and versatility made them a beloved staple across various cultures, standing the test of time and history. The magic of the pancake lies in its simplicity and versatility. Across the globe, different cultures have embraced the idea of a thin, flat, cooked batter, each creating their own unique twist on this beloved dish. In the heart of Russia, we find blinis, thin, yeast-leavened pancakes cherished and often paired with sour cream, smoked salmon, or even caviar. The French, with their flair for culinary artistry, have perfected the crêpe, a delicate pancake cooked in a special pan filled with an array of sweet or savory delights. From the vibrant streets of Ethiopia comes injera, a spongy, slightly sour flatbread crafted from fermented teff flour. Injera is more than just bread, it serves as both plate and utensil, used to scoop up flavorful stews and sauces. These stories of pancakes from around the world highlight the incredible diversity within the pancake family, each variation a reflection of the unique culinary traditions and ingredients of its culture. Imagine a day where the aroma of pancakes fills the air, a day steeped in history and tradition. Shrove Tuesday, the day before Lent begins, is celebrated in many parts of the world with a grand feast of pancakes. This delightful tradition has its roots in the need to use up rich ingredients like eggs, milk, and butter before the fasting season of Lent. Over time, it has blossomed into a joyous celebration of indulgence and togetherness. The act of making and sharing pancakes on Shrove Tuesday has become a cherished ritual, symbolizing a final burst of feasting before the solemnity of Lent. The circular shape of the pancake is often linked to the sun, representing the arrival of spring and the promise of renewal after the long winter months. Whether savored with a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of sugar or adorned with decadent toppings, pancakes on Shrove Tuesday offer a delicious connection to centuries-old traditions. As the cold winds blow and snow blankets the ground, there's something magical about gathering around the breakfast table with a stack of warm pancakes. The steam rising from the golden cakes, the syrup cascading down in a sweet amber stream. It's a scene that brings warmth to the soul. These moments, filled with laughter and the clinking of cutlery, evoke a sense of comfort and togetherness. Pancakes have woven themselves into the fabric of wintertime celebrations, becoming a symbol of cozy, comforting meals. Across the globe, pancakes take center stage in winter festivals and holiday feasts. In Scandinavian countries, potato pancakes are a cherished part of Christmas traditions, while in North America, a stack of fluffy pancakes is the perfect reward after a day of sledding or building snowmen. No matter where you are, pancakes offer a delicious way to warm up and celebrate the simple joys of winter. Imagine a stack of fluffy golden pancakes dripping with syrup and topped with a pat of melting butter. These American-style pancakes, known for their generous size and airy texture, have become a beloved breakfast staple. Our journey begins in the 19th century, where the magic of baking powder transformed the humble pancake into a lighter, fluffier delight. This leavening agent was a game-changer, allowing pancakes to rise and become the airy treats we adore today. Picture the bustling diners of mid-20th century America, where pancakes were served hot off the griddle. These quintessential eateries played a pivotal role in popularizing pancakes, offering them as a quick, affordable, and satisfying meal. Fast forward to today, and you'll find a delightful array of pancake recipes. From classic buttermilk to indulgent chocolate chip and blueberry variations, the evolution of pancakes has embraced a world of flavors and ingredients. The influence of global cuisine is evident in the rise of Japanese soufflé pancakes. These incredibly light and airy creations are a testament to meticulous whipping techniques, bringing a new level of fluffiness to the pancake world. For those with dietary restrictions, the story doesn't end there. Gluten-free pancake mixes made from alternative flours like almond or coconut flour offer a delicious and inclusive option, ensuring everyone can enjoy this breakfast favorite. From their humble beginnings to their modern-day incarnations, pancakes have woven themselves into the fabric of our culinary traditions, proving that some culinary traditions are simply timeless, capturing our hearts and palates with every delicious bite.